To fasten the motor to the board, first make sure it's in the right direction. Make sure the motor part here is heading to the center of the board. Your connectors here, they are on the inside. You're going to use two fasteners. The head of that, the wide side goes in the bottom. So one goes through on this side. One goes through the other side there. It just kind of holds on, doesn't clip into anything until you put a bolt through. And then you put a nut on the other side. Now, be careful. You could do the first one from either side. The problem is once you're putting the second motor on here, you're not going to be able to put your screwdriver in to fasten the bottom nut because you're going to need the screwdriver for the bottom one because you just can't get your finger on it properly. Now you can get your finger on it just to hold it. Now if you do the top one first, everything's a little more stable. And then you hold that on there with one finger and then screw it on there. Once it starts to take, you make sure everything's firmly in place. And you don't need to tighten these very hard. Just nice finger tighten. Now, if you want to use a little wrench to hold this side, you can, but that should be good enough for what we're doing. You can use an alligator clip even, it's probably good enough.